Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have a lot more energy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube already like this. And I do not know how to solve them mixed up. Look, only one side. I only know one side. Look, I only know one side. I only know how to solve one side. So I am going to be doing the yellow. So let's do this. Turn that, put that there, turn. And boom. Boom. I can't find any yellow. Oh, there you are. Shoot. Okay, now I can see these. Turn that there. Turn that like that. Turn these two. Turn that. Put that there. And it's kind of easy. Oh gosh, here's the hard part. Boom, 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 boom. Turn this. Turn these two. That. And boom! 1 minute and 13 seconds. Let me see if I can solve the blue. And no, that's all I could solve. One time I solved two sides. Okay, but guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve all the sides. I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Oh, shoot. So I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Oh my gosh, I hate these ads. X this. Okay, what the heck? Okay. So first what you want to do is, you could get any side. You can pick any side, any color. But you have to make sure it's already like this. Not like that, like that. All the same colors. And from all the sides. So first, you're going to put this one down. And that one down. Turn it to the left. And the other one to the left. Put it down. And down. Left. Left. Down, down. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is turn up. Okay, so it's already mixed up. You're going to turn up, up, right, right, up, up, right, right, up, up. And then there it's solved. It's all solved. And here's another way. Here's another way. You could go right, down, left, up, 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 right, down, left, up. And it's going to be mixed up like that. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, it's going to be mixed up like that. And what you're going to want to do is go left, down, hold up, Okay, so you're gonna want to go down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, down, left, right, up, down. Oh my gosh, I got it mixed up. I'm sorry. Okay, so you're gonna go. So you're just gonna make it like this. Just put your fingers all around, like in this circle. Just put your fingers in a circle like this. And you could keep mixing it. If you keep mixing it, you might, I'm not sure, but you might get them. You might solve it. Oh yeah, you could solve it like that. You could just keep doing the same moves. Like that, like that. Or you could just do this, look. Turn this way, that way, this way. You could keep doing that. The thing is, I have no idea how to solve a Rubik's Cube that is already mixed up. I know it sucks. I don't think it's gonna work. No, I don't think it's gonna work. I got it mixed up. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. Up, right, upright, 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 upright. And then all you gotta do is go left, down, left, down, left, down. Left down, left down, left down, left down. Boom. Now I'm gonna do it 8 by 8. I know this seems crazy. Oh my gosh, these ads. Boom. Okay. Now we do the yellow, blue. Now you know what, the white. And so I'm gonna lock this. I'm gonna do that. No, you know what? I'm gonna try a different one. Okay, so turn that way. All you gotta do is turn your Rubik's Cube and turn it like that. But wait, I think that only works. Oh, let's try this one. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Okay, and this one, let's try. We're gonna do right down, right down, right down, right down, right down, right down, up left, up left, up left, up left, up left, up left, and we solved it. And we could just do this. We could just keep doing the same thing. Right down, 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 right down. Like that. Everything is solved. Or you could just get and so we're gonna try the 4x4. Oh my gosh. You're gonna go down, left, and then you're gonna do this. Up, down, left, 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 and then you're just gonna go right. No, wait, you're just gonna go right. Oh, wait, you know what? Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it up. So you go down, down, hold up. Go down, down, left, left, down, down, left. And then you're gonna make this to the right, this other one to the right, down, down, left, left, down, down, left, left. Put this one to the right, right. And then, so we're just gonna solve it and go left, right, left, right, right, up, up, right, right, up, up, right, left, left, and left, right, up, up, and right, right, up, up. Oh, sorry, that's my baby brother. And that's how you solve a Rubik's Cube. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.